Hello, it's Addison V8C here, and today we're going to be burping. So, stay tuned. Does anybody want to see my face reveal? In 3, 2, 1. So, that's who's been making the burps.